Today, I will be reviewing this game, the Great Gambino, a magic type of game, full of surprises. Astonishingly, this game is in up the sleeve, magical flask, magical jars, slack of cards, magic books, treasure chest, wild cards, and apparently I do not find this game biting but exciting and is quite advanced. Modern game adventure, but I will think. I'm telling this absurd but rubbish. Well, see it yourself and determine the case. I will also give you some tips how to win the bonus jackpot. It took me less than 5 minutes to win the jackpot. Be sure to watch it to the end. If you haven't subscribed, and give a like thumbs up. Please, do it now, okay? Let me start by saying first, to play this game or any online slot poker game, the chance to win is 70% for my case. It is. You will realize if you press S. The start in the middle of the game, you press the stop button. It integrates to a win. To win scenario, but be sure you do that in the rhythm and the flow of right timing. Be sure to watch it to the end. I won the jackpot. It is that easy. And with the points, or coins I can redeem it for real vouchers. If you do play the games, and do win, make sure that there's option for cashing out. Voucher redeemable such as for Dan hotel stay, activities, and extended casino bets. If you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button.